you, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my babe. No time, no. If you send me the look,
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is brought to you by Forever Beauty. This hair that I am wearing is a Jerry Curl 24-inch and it's a 4 by 0.75 closure wig. We are going to install this bad boy. So if you want to see how I do this and achieve this great, nice, flawless curls, perfect for a vacation or just for your everyday look, stay tuned and let's jump into that video. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. So let's open up the package and see what's inside. So what you see here, they send you a little goodie bag where you have a hair. So elastic band here. I see that they give you wig, a wig cap, and you also have a crochet needle, and I assume this is a little brush for powder or makeup and some eyelashes. And this package, this little package here, is great for using when you need it. And this is the hair. So let's take a look at the hair. So this is a 4-inch Jerry Curl hair, and the density is 150. So let's open the hair and I will show you what the hair looks like. Oh, that looks pretty. And it is also a closure wig. So this is what it looks like. As you see the inside, it comes with 3 hair clips here, so 3 of them, and it also comes with the band to help secure your head if you don't want to actually put down any glue on the hair. So this is what, 4.07. So this is like as you see here, it's a closure and it's a T closure. Yes, so this is a T closure. So we are gonna get this hair on and we're gonna see how it looks style. So far it looks good, and I'm not gonna bleach the knots. I'm just going to put some foundation on it and we are gonna put this hair on. So let's get into the video, guys. So far so good. The texture feels nice and everything, so let's get into the video. As you guys can see, this is the wig. We're gonna put it on, and I put it on just like that. Yeah, so I'm going to cut the lace away. So you could literally just cut the lace away and then you could leave it pretty much like this and it will stay. But the problem is I have to get rid of these, right? Or you could find a way to, okay, master. Okay, we are going to do that then. Okay, so as you see, it's hardly get to see the lace. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to get the glue. So I see where I want my hair, the glue to go. So I know it's right there. I'm gonna go in with my rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna move away the excess oil from my head. Okay guys, don't worry about the sides. I will fix them afterwards. I just wanna concentrate mainly on up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and then I'm gonna rub here, right? Oh, I'm gonna make it air dry, and then we're just going to go in with the glue, and I got a popsicle, all right, and go from here. Okay, so I use that 2 little line to mark where I'm going to put the glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the hair back, and I'm just going to dab across, because that's what you want. So you want it before, and when you're doing your ball cap method, make sure that the ball cap is way in front of your hairline, so that way it doesn't mess up your hairline. Your hairline is well protected. And I'm just going to use the glue, and I'm just going to go sweep across this. I want this bad boy laid. Okay, and you just want it to dry, so you're gonna wait until it's dry. So you can either use your blow dryer to dry it, or you can wait till it's dry. You can use the amount of glue you want. So if you want it stronger to hold you up to like maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I would recommend you using maybe about 3 layers. But I use 3 layers, but you can use more. It's up to you on what you want to do, based on what you want to do. So I had already braided my hair. I had washed, treated my natural hair underneath, and braid my hair and oiled my scalp, and have my homemade remedy that I use in my hair as well sprayed in my hair, so that protects my hair underneath, because as much as you wear wigs, you want to protect your hair underneath as well. There's no point in wearing a wig when your hair is not protected, your natural hair. So you want to make sure that your natural hair is protected until this all dries. So when it dries, I will come back and show you guys how I install the wig, cut off the excess lace, and style this bad boy. Yes, we are definitely going to do that.
Used to do the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind. You think I'm doing wrong? Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand, make love on the beach of jet black.
It's like, so as you see, it's like this. So now I'm just gonna take it off because I had it sitting, and I also did my makeup offline, guys. So take it off. Look at that. What lace. Nice and clear. Love it. So what I'm just gonna go in is, I'm just gonna go in with my mousse, and I'm going to go in and just wet up the hair. Yes, so I'm just gonna go wet the hair up and go in with my mousse. Alright. You can hold it, but you have to let it in. And I'm going for that wet and wavy look. So, and you see the covers sides are on fleek. Alright. Oh. You just want to take your time, and could use the brush and comb through the hair. The more you comb through it, the better it is. So I'm gonna comb through it, and then I'm gonna go through it with the mousse. I'm gonna rub the mousse onto it. Okay. So what I'm just doing is I'm just using the mousse because I want the wet and watery look, and I'm just moussing the hair, and that's pretty it. So you mousse the top and go all the way down because you want that wet look, and then you just scrunch here up, and so when it dries, it will dry nice and curly, just the way it is, like this. Okay, almost finished, guys. almost finished. So this is the finished product, guys. As you can see, you got that nice wet and wavy look to it. This is the front, side, and the back view. So when it dries, it will stay this nice and crimpy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.